Okay, so just showing you guys what I decided to do is I have this roll of Reflectix stuff here. And so what I did was I put that behind where the old wet membrane was, behind the beams in here. And just as an extra layer, I tucked in this bubble wrap Reflectix stuff up in here. I know it's going to get hot up in this area anyhow because it's over the fifth wheel and it's right in the sun. So took that all along in there, and now I have 3/4 inch foam board that also has reflective backing on it. And so I will put that reflective side back, and I'm going to start stuffing that in there. Was going to come out here and spray some kills and on the areas that are kind of iffy, but it's too cold. It was snowing earlier today, so I can't spray that today, so I figured I'd at least get this back wall in here, and there's no reason to spray that because all that's left is the fiberglass and the aluminum beams. So I'm gonna at least get this back wall done. And I lied earlier, I guess you have to look at the ugly wall a little bit longer. Anyhow, I'll be back. Okay, so looks a little bit better. All the insulation's in. So now the next step on that wall is to put up the Luan, and I will wait to do that until after I spray the kills on the rest of this area down here. And I think I'm going to start. Yesterday I was able to find a video of what this trailer looked like before it was remodeled by somebody else, and come to find out that, sorry, I'm moving the camera around again. Maybe someday I'll learn how to edit that stuff out. Okay, so I found out that there used to be 3 or 4 steps that started here in the bathroom. You went up a step, and then up another step, and then up another step. And then there is a little, up in that corner up there, there was a little nightstand. This whole piece right here was added later, this section right in here. So when I pull that back out, I actually have enough of the 3/4 inch plywood that I could build the steps back. I also have those 2x6s that I tore out of the living room that are still in really good shape, and so I can use those to help frame up the steps. And then they're just going to be box steps, and then there will be a twin bed over here, nightstand up there, and a twin bed over here, which actually works better for Sonia and Cassie. So at least now I know what it looked like initially before everything was torn apart. And then in here, and most of this information is for Cassie because, as I said, she still hasn't seen the trailer, and so she's trying to get an idea. But in here, there used to be over this electrical box and the wheel well, there was a jackknife couch here. And then there was a table, a drop-down table that was mounted back here on the wall. And then there would have been 2 chairs, one over here and one here. Little tiny chairs, because the kitchen sink cabinet would start right here. So I'm going to say there's maybe 4 feet between the kitchen cabinet thing here and that back wall. And but it looked like there is one of those standard RV fold-away tables where it had a little ledge here and then had a table that folded down. So I'm thinking what we might do is put another jackknife couch in this way, and then leave enough room so that the couch could jackknife out, and it would come out to about right where the edge of that that foam is. And then we could do a maybe even an L-shaped desk. You could do a desk that comes across here, and then maybe another desk that comes across here, and they could use that desk for their computers, and she could put a desk chair in here, and then whoever's sitting on the couch could sit at the other end of the table here to eat or whatever. So we're going to wait for that until after she comes up here and sees it and realizes how tiny this trailer is. In this trailer is going to be Cassie and Sonia and her 2 dogs. She's got one 75-pound dog and one littler 30-pound dog, and her 4 cats. So yes, it's only a temporary home, but they still got to be somewhat comfortable, at least until we get them the second trailer set up. So anyhow, just going to keep working on this and see what I can get done today before I lose my light for the day.